Okay, so this particular problem is asking us to enlarge the given shape, so we'll go with triangle ABC, right, by a scale factor of 2 about the center of enlargement, the CoE. So here's our center of enlargement right here, this point right here, CoE. That's our center of enlargement. That's the point from which we'll do all our calculations or our counting. So this is how you do it. First of all, you calculate your X move and then your Y move. So this is how it looks. And you calculate that from the center of enlargement. So this is how it looks. My X move is across the X axis, right? So it's left and right. So it's 1 to the right and 2. That's how you get to point A. And I'm going to enlarge this shape by enlarging each point from the center of enlargement. So to get to A, it's 1 across and 2 up. That's scale factor 1. And to do scale factor 2, I just repeat it one more time. So it's across 1 and then up 2. So A dash is here. If I want to do point B, this is how I do it. I go across 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 1, 2. So I just repeat it because that's scale factor 1. I need scale factor 2, so I got to do it twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And so I now know that B dash is here. And for the last one, I want to do C. So 1, 2, 3. You always start at the center of enlargement. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1. And so I now know that C dash is here. To finish off this particular task, I now draw the triangle A dash, B dash, and C dash. And it's finished.